everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I made this delicious taco casserole. If you guys would like to know how to make a delicious taco casserole, then this is the video for you. First, boil you some spaghetti noodles. I accidentally boiled angel hair pasta because DoorDash sent me the wrong thing, but spaghetti noodles. Next, get you out a skillet large enough to cook 2 pounds of ground beef. If you do not like ground beef, you can use ground turkey or the ground meat of your choice, but you will season it up good, so it doesn't matter if you use ground chicken or ground turkey or ground beef. While you are browning your ground meat, ground beef, add in a small diced onion, okay? You can roughly chop your onion if you like. It doesn't have to be in any particular order, okay? And you are going to cook your ground meat, ground beef, and your small onion. It can be a purple onion, a white onion, or a yellow onion together. It adds great flavor to the meat when you cook your onion with your ground beef, okay? Just mix it in together really well. While your ground meat is cooking, you can add small seasonings such as a little amount of black pepper, like 2 teaspoons. Also, I am going to add garlic pepper, or you can just add plain garlic powder to season up your meat. You do not need to add any salt to this recipe at the present time, okay? So go ahead, and after your ground meat or your ground beef has cooked, drain it and add 2 packs of taco seasoning mix. Okay, I'm adding 2 packs of taco seasoning mix. After I get my 2 packs of taco seasoning mix added to my ground beef, I'm going to add in 2 cans of rotel chili. That's diced tomatoes and chili. Next, I'm going to add in a small amount of water. I'm going to add in about a half a cup of water. Next, I am going to add in a small can of tomato paste. Need about 6 ounces of tomato paste. Just a small can of tomato paste. 6 ounces. If you do not have tomato paste, you can use tomato sauce. Now, mix all of your ingredients together. I am mixing my ingredients together here. And I'm going to allow this to simmer on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes. Allow it to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I have some sour cream, and I found this can of cheddar cheese. I'm going to use the can of cheddar cheese, but if you do not have a can of cheddar cheese, remember, you can use regular shredded cheese, regular shredded cheddar cheese. Okay, mix it up really well. Combine all of the ingredients together. This is so delicious. Yum yum. I'm ready to eat. I'm adding some parsley. You can use fresh parsley, and it's for color, decorations, presentation. Now, at the bottom of my baking dish of choice, I'm going to go ahead and add the ground beef mixture for our taco casserole. This ground beef mixture is going to be so delicious. By adding the meat to the bottom, it ensures that you do not dry out your spaghetti noodles. Next, we are going to layer with our pasta noodles, as you see I am doing here. After that layer of pasta noodles, we are going to layer with our sour cream mixture. With our sour cream mixture for our taco casserole. This is kind of like a taco baked spaghetti casserole. Taco spaghetti. After that layer, I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese down. A small amount of mozzarella cheese to cover that layer. About a half a cup of mozzarella cheese. After I use my mozzarella cheese, I use the Mexican 4-cheese blend, or you can use taco cheese blend or just some cheddar cheese. It doesn't matter. Any of those cheeses will taste fantastic with this taco casserole. I know many of you are smiling like, hey, this is just like a taco baked spaghetti. Yes, it is similar to baked spaghetti or lasagna layers. Now I'm going to go in and I am going to layer on top of my cheese, the mozzarella cheese and the Mexican cheese blend, another layer of our taco meat. That's correct, our taco meat with the rotel. This is going to be so delicious. I know you guys heard me say that before, but trust me, you will enjoy it. Go ahead and try it. Get the ingredients and start to put together this dish. After this layer of spaghetti, we're going to go in with another layer of the meat, the taco meat, the ground beef for our taco casserole. If you guys love tacos and you don't have any taco shells or any lettuce and everything to make the regular tacos, just go ahead and pull y'all some spaghetti noodles. Everyone has pasta. Any type of pasta will do. Now for our top layer, I'm going to go in with some more of the cheese, the last of the cheese, and I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on the top. And I'm going to go in with the Mexican cheese blend, and I'm going to mix that in on the top as well. As you see, I'm doing here, cooking with TK. Now I put some green onions on top. Trust me, green onions amps up the flavor really, really well. And I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Voila, everyone. Here we go. I'm going to finish it off with some diced tomatoes that I cut. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video on how to make a delicious taco casserole with cooking with TK. You guys need to check the recipe out. Try it. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Leave comments down below if you guys make a taco casserole, or if you guys make a taco spaghetti bake or any kind of taco spaghetti. And let me know how you guys enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Peace. Have a wonderful day. And thanks for your support to my channel.